Okay guys, we are back with the second half of this install. I got the stage 3 clutch here that we're going to install. We're going to do a quick unboxing right now of it and see all the stuff we're going to need to put on the car, see what they shipped us, and then we'll go ahead and get with the install. Check this out. First, we have a throttle bearing here. Let's see what they shipped us. Go ahead and open this up. This is the part we got to take out to a shop. Press out the old one, install the new one. Throw out bearing. Let's see. Not bad. Comes with the pilot bearing too. I don't think I'm gonna install this because I already have one that's like less than 50,000 miles, so I think I might skip this part and just put this one on. Looks nice, looks firm, not bad. Doesn't look broken or nothing, looks pretty good. Go ahead and install that later. The clutch. Be sure to wrap these things pretty damn tight. Ooh. 6-puck. Now, I didn't buy anything crazy because my car is like semi-stockish and I'm planning on selling it and whatnot. So all this is just for my convenience, and I want a better feel in my clutch because my OEM and stage 2 clutch wasn't it, so we're upgrading. So there's that. Oh yeah, damn. Let's see what we got here. This shit is heavy. Heavy. You don't need this. It's nice. It's very nice. A little hard to pull out, but it's nice. What do we have here? The creme de la creme. Did they give us any hardware? Let's find out. I don't think they did, but we'll see right now. Any hardware? Where's the hardware at? Where's the bearing alignment tool? Pressure plate facing. It goes over there. The flywheel. The most important part of this thing. Lightweight flywheel. Yeah. That's it. That's it? I thought there'd be more. I'm like, where's the alignment tool? Weird. I mean, I think I got one, but I want a new one. I'll figure it out. Okay, I'm gonna clean all this up and we're gonna go ahead and start the installation process. Check back in with you guys.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it.
Always remember, guys, torque your bolts down, especially when it comes to the drive line. Torque your bolts to the right torque specifications from your factory service manual. That shit's super important.
Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway, and in the driveway.
Okay guys, we had a slight inconvenience with the 240. We didn't have the right parts to install the clutch, but I went and got the part for the car. So we're gonna continue back with installing the clutch right now. Let's get it.
Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
There we have it, installed. Okay guys, that's it for today. The clutch is installed, that part is done. Next we will be installing the transmission, a couple of transmission components first, and then actually getting the transmission installed and putting everything back together to start the car up. That'll be my next video. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you guys for joining. I hope you guys learned something new for all the 240 owners out here. Yeah, part 4 I think is next. Yeah, stay tuned. If you like the video, like, subscribe, leave a comment. I will be uploading the next video soon. Bye.